The way to change others is to change yourself. Neville Goddard.
Imagine waking up one day and realizing that the power to shape your destiny has always been within you. This profound revelation transforms how you perceive life and your place in it. Understanding the purpose of life and how a divine plan guides you can be deeply liberating. Today, let's explore this life-changing perspective that reveals how you can tap into the inherent potential you possess and align it with a grander design. To truly grasp the essence of life's purpose and divine guidance, we must first acknowledge that everything around us is a reflection of our inner world. The reality we experience is not merely a series of random events, but rather a mirror of our thoughts, beliefs, and emotions. By understanding this fundamental truth, we realize that our external circumstances are deeply intertwined with our inner state. This recognition shifts our focus from external factors to internal growth, emphasizing that we have the power to mold our reality by changing our inner narrative.
Life's purpose in this context is not a predefined path laid out by external forces, but a dynamic journey shaped by our inner convictions and desires. Every individual has a unique blueprint, a set of dreams and aspirations that align with their inner essence.
By tuning into these desires and aligning them with our conscious intentions, we begin to understand the purpose that drives us. It's not about following a rigid plan, but about thinking about the fluidity of our evolving desires and aligning them with a broader vision of our life. The concept of a divine plan, then, becomes a powerful framework for understanding how our personal purpose integrates with a greater whole. This divine plan is not a strict roadmap, but a guiding principle that encourages us to explore, grow, and evolve in alignment with our true selves. It suggests that we are co-creators in our lives, partnering with a higher intelligence that supports and guides our journey. This partnership is not about surrendering control, but about harmonizing our efforts with the flow of universal principles. As we navigate through life, the challenges we face and the successes we achieve are not random occurrences, but integral parts of this divine plan. Each experience, whether perceived as positive or negative, serves as a catalyst for growth and self-discovery. By thinking about these experiences as opportunities for learning and transformation, we align ourselves more closely with the divine plan, recognizing that every twist and turn is a step towards deeper self-awareness and fulfillment. To align with this divine plan, we must cultivate a mindset of openness and receptivity. This involves letting go of rigid expectations and thinking about the flow of life with trust and faith. When we release our attachment to specific outcomes and focus instead on our intentions and desires, we allow ourselves to be guided by a higher intelligence. This shift in perspective transforms our approach to challenges, turning them into opportunities for growth and aligning us with the greater plan unfolding in our lives. Our role in this divine plan is to remain attuned to our inner guidance and to act in alignment with our true selves. This involves practicing self-awareness, introspection, and mindfulness. By regularly checking in with our inner state and assessing whether our actions align with our core values and desires, we maintain our connection to the divine plan. This practice of alignment ensures that we remain on track and that our actions resonate with our true purpose. In recognizing the interplay between our personal purpose and the divine plan, we also come to understand the importance of our contributions to the world around us. Each individual plays a unique role in the grand tapestry of existence, and our actions have a ripple effect that extends beyond our immediate sphere. By aligning our personal purpose with a broader vision of contributing to the well-being of others and the world, we enhance our fulfillment and play our part in the larger divine plan. The journey of aligning with the divine plan is not a destination, but an ongoing process of growth and self-discovery. As we continue to evolve and expand our understanding of ourselves and our place in the world, we deepen our connection to the divine plan and our sense of purpose. This journey requires patience, perseverance, and a willingness to think of the unknown, trusting that each step we take is guided by a higher intelligence. Ultimately, the purpose of life and the divine plan are intertwined aspects of our existence. By recognizing our role as co-creators in this grand design, we think of the responsibility and the opportunity to shape our destiny. This understanding empowers us to live with intention, authenticity, and alignment, knowing that our journey is supported by a greater force that guides us towards our highest potential. As we get deeper into the interplay between our personal journey and a higher plan, it's crucial to explore how our daily actions and choices contribute to a broader cosmic design. The essence of aligning with the divine plan isn't solely about grand gestures or monumental shifts, but is also deeply embedded in the small, everyday decisions we make. Each moment offers a chance to align our actions with our deeper values, to act with intention, and to cultivate a sense of purpose that resonates with a higher frequency. One key aspect of this alignment involves recognizing and harnessing the power of intention. Our intentions are not merely thoughts, but energetic vibrations that shape our reality. When we set clear, purposeful intentions, we essentially send a signal to the universe about the direction we wish to pursue. This clarity allows us to attract opportunities, relationships, and experiences that resonate with our core values and aspirations. It's a process of tuning into our deepest desires and aligning our actions with them, creating a harmonious flow that guides us towards our goals. Furthermore, thinking about the present moment is a vital component of this journey. The present is where our power lies, and it is through our current actions that we influence our future. By practicing mindfulness and staying grounded in the here and now, we enhance our ability to make conscious choices that align with our purpose. This presence not only enriches our experience, but also strengthens our connection to the divine plan, ensuring that we are fully engaged in the unfolding process of our lives. Another important element to consider is the role of gratitude in this alignment. Gratitude acts as a powerful amplifier of positive energy, fostering a mindset of abundance and appreciation. By regularly acknowledging and expressing gratitude for the blessings and lessons in our lives, we elevate our vibrational frequency and attract even more positive experiences. This practice reinforces our connection to the divine plan, enhancing our ability to see the greater purpose in every situation and to remain open to the flow of opportunities. Additionally, the journey of aligning with a higher plan often involves personal growth and transformation. As we evolve, we may find that our goals and aspirations shift, reflecting a deeper understanding of our true selves. The concept of service to others plays a significant role in our alignment with the divine plan. By contributing to the well-being of others and engaging in acts of kindness, we not only enrich our own lives, but also strengthen our connection to the greater whole. Service creates a ripple effect that enhances collective harmony and contributes to the unfolding of a more compassionate and interconnected world. This sense of purpose, rooted in the desire to make a positive impact, aligns us with a higher vision and reinforces our role in the grand design of existence. By recognizing that our reality reflects our inner state, we gain the power to influence our experiences through the way we think and feel. Setting clear intentions sends a strong message to the universe about what we seek to manifest, while living mindfully ensures that our actions are in sync with our deepest values. Gratitude amplifies our positive energy, attracting more of what aligns with our desires, and thinking about personal growth allows us to continuously refine our alignment with our true selves. Additionally, contributing to the well-being of others not only enriches our own lives, but also strengthens our connection to the larger whole. In summary, the journey of aligning with a higher plan involves a multifaceted approach that integrates intention, presence, gratitude, personal growth, and service. This holistic approach not only empowers us to fulfill our potential, but also fosters a deeper connection to the universal principles guiding our existence. In closing, if you found this exploration of life's purpose and the divine plan intriguing, there are a few ways you can stay connected and continue this journey of discovery. First, consider liking this video to show your support and appreciation. Your feedback helps us continue sharing insights and inspiration. Second, subscribing to our channel ensures you stay updated with the latest content that can further enrich your understanding of these profound topics. Third, sharing this video with friends and family who might benefit from this message spreads the wisdom and encourages others to embark on their own journey of self-discovery. Fourth, leaving a comment with your thoughts or questions not only contributes to the conversation, but also allows us to engage with you directly. Lastly, don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update, keeping you in the loop with all future content.